Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive into tips and tricks to make your life more efficient and productive. Did you know that the average person wastes about 2 hours every single day? That's right, 2 whole hours that could be spent on something more meaningful or productive. Think about it. That's 2 hours spent scrolling through social media, watching pointless videos, or just getting distracted by things that don't add value to our lives. It's easy to fall into these traps, believe me, I've been there. The constant notifications, the endless stream of content, it can be overwhelming. But what if I told you that you could reclaim those lost hours and actually achieve more in less time? Imagine finishing your tasks ahead of schedule and having extra time for yourself. In this video, I'm going to share with you some powerful productivity techniques that have helped me and countless others make the most of our time and achieve our goals. These techniques are not just theoretical. They are practical strategies that you can implement right away. Whether you're in a meeting, working on a project, or trying to achieve a personal goal, these tips will help you stay focused and efficient. We'll be diving deep into practical strategies that you can implement right away to boost your productivity without feeling overwhelmed. From time blocking to prioritizing tasks, these methods are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Whether you're a student trying to juggle classes and assignments, a working professional aiming to meet deadlines, or just someone looking to get a better handle on their time, this video is for you. Imagine a life where you are in control of your time, where you can focus on what truly matters without getting sidetracked. That's the kind of productivity we're aiming for. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock your productivity potential together. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps that you can start implementing today. Remember, productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing what truly matters efficiently. Let's get started and make the most of our time. Think about your typical day for a second. How do you spend your time from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed? Time is a precious resource, and yet it's so easy to let it slip through our fingers without even realizing it. When you wake up, do you immediately check your phone? Many of us do. It's become a habit to reach for our devices first thing in the morning. But have you ever thought about how this small action sets the tone for your entire day? Do you find yourself getting sidetracked by emails or notifications throughout the day? These constant interruptions can make it difficult to focus on what's truly important. Every time you get distracted, it takes time to refocus and get back on track. How much time do you spend actually working on your most important tasks versus just being busy? It's easy to confuse busyness with productivity, but they are not the same. Being busy often means you're reacting to what's urgent, not necessarily what's important. It's easy to lose track of time, but those minutes really add up. A few minutes here and there might not seem like much, but over the course of a day, they can turn into hours. And over a week, those hours can become significant. 2 hours a day might not seem like much, but over a week, that's 14 hours. Imagine what you could do with an extra 14 hours each week. You could start a new hobby, spend more time with loved ones, or simply relax and recharge. Imagine what you could achieve if you had an extra 14 hours a week to dedicate to your goals, your passions, or even just to relax and recharge. Those 14 hours could be the difference between feeling overwhelmed and feeling in control of your life. The good news is you can reclaim that time. By being mindful of how you spend your minutes, you can take back control of your day. Start by identifying the small changes you can make to reduce distractions and focus on what truly matters. Your time is valuable. Make the most of it. Now, before we dive into the strategies, let's define what we mean by productivity. It's not about working yourself to the bone or cramming as much as possible into every minute of the day. True productivity is about being intentional with your time and energy. It's about focusing on the tasks that truly matter and finding ways to work smarter, not harder. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly bombarded with information and demands on our attention. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and like we're constantly playing catch-up. But by implementing the right productivity techniques, we can take control of our time, reduce stress, and achieve our goals with more ease and enjoyment. So, what are some of the biggest challenges people face when it comes to productivity? One of the most common is procrastination. We've all been there, putting off important tasks until the last minute, leading to stress and rushed work. Another challenge is distraction. Our phones, social media, and the constant stream of notifications can be major productivity killers. And then there's the lack of prioritization. Without a clear understanding of what's truly important, we can easily get bogged down in busy work that doesn't actually move us closer to our goals. But don't worry, we're going to tackle these challenges head-on. Let's talk about some actionable strategies that you can start using today to boost your productivity. These strategies are designed to help you manage your time more effectively, prioritize your tasks, and minimize distractions so you can achieve your goals more efficiently. One of my favorite techniques is time blocking. This method is incredibly effective for ensuring that you dedicate specific periods to different activities, which can help you stay focused and organized throughout the day. This involves scheduling specific blocks of time in your day for different tasks. By allocating time slots for various activities, you can ensure that each task gets the attention it deserves without feeling overwhelmed. For example, you might block out an hour in the morning for focused work, which is often when your energy levels and concentration are at their peak. This can be a great time to tackle complex tasks that require deep thinking. Then, you could allocate 30 minutes for checking emails. This prevents your inbox from becoming a distraction throughout the day and allows you to handle communications efficiently. And an hour in the afternoon for creative projects. This is often when your mind is more relaxed, making it a perfect time for brainstorming and innovative thinking. Another powerful strategy is prioritization. Knowing which tasks to tackle first can make a huge difference in your productivity. The Eisenhower matrix is a great tool for this. It helps you categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. It helps you categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance, so you can focus on the most critical ones first. This way, you can ensure that you're not just busy, but actually productive. By highlighting the most critical tasks, you can make sure that your efforts are directed towards activities that will have the most significant impact on your goals. And of course, we can't forget about minimizing distractions. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere, and managing them is crucial for maintaining productivity. This might involve putting your phone on airplane mode while you work, which can help you stay focused and avoid the temptation of checking notifications. Using website blockers to avoid social media can also be incredibly effective. These tools can prevent you from getting sidetracked by non-essential activities, or simply finding a quiet space where you can concentrate. A serene environment can significantly enhance your ability to focus and get work done efficiently. Remember, taking short breaks is also essential. It might seem counterintuitive, but stepping away from your work for a few minutes can actually boost your productivity. It gives your mind a chance to rest and recharge. Finally, reviewing your progress at the end of the day can help you stay on track. Reflecting on what you've accomplished and what still needs to be done can provide valuable insights and help you plan for the next day. By implementing these strategies, you can create a more structured and productive workday. Remember, the key to success is consistency, and making these practices a part of your daily routine. While all of the strategies we've discussed are incredibly effective, there's one that stands out as a game changer: the Pomodoro Technique. This simple, yet powerful technique involves working in focused bursts of 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. After every 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break of 15 to 20 minutes. This structured approach helps to improve focus, reduce mental fatigue, and increase productivity. The beauty of the Pomodoro Technique is its simplicity. You don't need any fancy apps or tools, just a timer and the willingness to commit to the focused work sessions. Give it a try, and I guarantee you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the importance of productivity to exploring practical strategies like time blocking, prioritization, and the Pomodoro Technique. Remember, the key to success is implementation. Don't try to overhaul your entire routine overnight. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new strategies into your day and gradually build from there. As you start to experience the benefits of increased productivity, more free time, reduced stress, and a greater sense of accomplishment, you'll be motivated to keep going. Congratulations on taking this step towards mastering your time and boosting your productivity. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you feel super productive, and others when you feel like you're struggling, and that's okay. The important thing is to keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep striving to make the most of your time. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some of your biggest productivity challenges? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your biggest productivity challenges? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more tips on time management, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got tons of content on study tips, productivity hacks, and personal growth strategies that can help you level up your life. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, so don't underestimate the power of implementing even one or two of the techniques we discussed today. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as you unlock your full potential. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for excellence.